I think I want to talk about men. When you talk about men, you talk about everything. The world, trouble, baby, love, trouble. Sweet darling animals, yes they are. Men, I love you dearly. That's why I chose you as my subject. But I have to speak for the women. We understand you, but we love you anyway. My man. I went down to St. James Infirmary. I found my baby there, stretched on this long white table. Oh, but he was cool. He was calm. He was dead. Let him go. No, 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 no. God's gotta bless him wherever he may be. Yes, he searched this old world over, yeah. Never found that good woman like me. Oh, but he said, if I go first, just get my straight leg breeches. He said, get him his box striped vest, and don't forget his Stetson hat. Ooh. Put a $20 gold piece on my watch chain, so the boys would know, yes, I died, but standing pat. Let him go. No, 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 no. Oh, God, please bless him wherever, ever he may, oh, he may be. Oh, searching this whole wide world over, never found that good woman like me.